how to change your YouTube username on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can change our YouTube's username on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change the YouTube username on mobile, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application. After you do that, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right of the screen and then just go to your channel. After you go to your channel, and if you want to edit the username for your channel, it is very simple. Tap the pencil like edit icon from the top right hand side of the screen. When you tap on it, you can see name, and this handle right over here is actually our username, which means that whatever we add here, youtube.com/this is going to be our channel URL as well. So now right here you can just tap the edit option and make sure to go ahead and then basically edit whatever info that you might want to edit over here, and then you should be able to edit them accordingly. And this way you'll be able to change the YouTube username on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.